Good morning, happy Sunday. Quite literally woke up like this. Pineapple situation. Secret kisses when she's not paying attention. Ooh. Good morning, Piggy. You say hi to everybody. Or just lick. Constantly the licking. Always the licking. You're so cute. So, yesterday, which was obviously Saturday, it's Sunday today, was a super unproductive day. He's still chatting. And whilst it's actually super nice to just chill out and do nothing, I felt so tired when I woke up this morning and just like flat. So I'm determined that we're going to turn today into a productive day. I don't know how we're going to do that, but we're going to start with a coffee and just get some stuff done. I feel like the last couple of weeks I've been on a bit of a downer, and we're going to turn it the other way around. I'm going to get on the Peloton today. Oh my god, Mike and Riff are being so cute. Mike's in full-on cycling gear, and they're having a little bit of a cuddle. And then I tell you what I'm going to do. This vlog is actually sponsored by Aborian. Super excited to be working with them. I'm going to do a little bit of a pamper sesh and show you some of the products I'm using at the moment, and have a bit of a clear out on my bathroom as well, because is it a mess, Mike?
It's an absolute state.
The messiest it's ever been. Someone also looking like he stepped directly out of the 80s.
What's wrong?
I mean, it's a great look. It's to be fair, I don't approve of this dark colours. Normally you're wearing like neons, and I like that because you get seen.
My bike is super bright.
Okay, and you do have pink shoes.
Pink shoes, so my pink shoes will get seen.
I basically like Mike to be dressed in as bright possible clothing when he's cycling, because it's just safer. He's not gonna get run over. Look, you're like camo with you're camo with the road in that outfit, Mike. So I just made my coffee, took a sip, and the milk had gone off. Is that not the worst thing? Worst thing. So now, I'm just going with an espresso. I'm not risking it for a biscuit with the coffee again. I'm using these. I haven't used these in so long. They're my Tom Dixon little espresso mugs. And they actually live in the pantry now, so I never end up using them, and they're so pretty and I love them. You know there's not much else going on when I'm excited about using a different mug for my coffee. Can we also just talk about the sad situation that is my nails right now? This is another thing I'm going to sort out today. We were tie-dyeing, more tie-dyeing. It turned out really well yesterday. And I managed to get the dye off my hands because I had a bath last night, but it is like, it has messed up my nails. But, I mean, it's worth it. Look at this one. Riv did this completely on her own. I tied it, but she did the dye like freestyle. I didn't even help her with the colors. I would wear this if it was my size. So good. Better than all of my ones. You guys saw my Instagram stories on tie-dyeing last week. After we did that, so many people were like, oh, so cute. So we're actually making some for, I bought a load of t-shirts and we've made some. This one's like ribs with a heart. This is for Lulu. We've made some for her cousins and a few of our friends and stuff. But yeah, how cool is Lulu's one? This is the set. We just ordered it on Amazon. You can get loads of different sets. We ordered a big one that has 20 colors. I actually don't think you need 20 colors, because in here you have all the really like, you have like brown and gray and colors that you might not want to use. I guess it depends what you want, like what look you want to go for, but this was like £20. And you get like a lot of spare dyes and stuff as well, so I feel like it will last quite a long time. I've literally only done it twice. If you want to know how to do it, I would thoroughly recommend checking out some tutorials on YouTube, especially to do the heart shape. I got loads of questions on Instagram how to do the heart shape tie-dye. I will link the video that I followed. It's super, super easy. And in general, like, just follow the instructions and it's really easy. The one thing I would say is to rinse out the shirts separately to avoid the white going like gray. So like completely rinse them out separately. And it's tempting if you're doing a lot not to do that, because like it takes ages, but the white ends up going grey if you do them together, which we did because I had like 5 minutes to do it. Okay, so we're in the bathroom and we're gonna do a little bit of a skincare pamper sesh. Riv is here too, so it's gonna have to be an express pamper session. As I mentioned before, this video is sponsored by Aborian, and if you haven't heard of Aborian before or used them before, these are two of my favourite products from them. This is the new Milk and Peel range. New-ish, I've had them for a couple of months actually. They also are offering a 20% discount code across the whole website. So all of the products, there are a few exclusions like gift sets and stuff, but I'll put the info below. You can use Fleur 20 for 20% off if you want to try anything. I'm going to start off with a cleanse, and I'm actually going to be using the Milk and Peel Balm. I love this range. As the name would suggest, it has a peeling element to it, but it's enzymatic, it's not acid based. So if you use a lot of active skincare, which I do throughout the week, I like to have like a really nice like hydrating session at the weekend. So it's like a little bit of resurfacing, but it's really, really gentle. So I'm gonna start off with the Milk and Peel Balm, which is actually a balm cleanser. I love that it is in a squeezy tube, super easy to use, really, really kind of nourishing on the skin. It has sesame oil in it as well, and it's a real like joy to use. You know those cleansers that are really hydrating and just gorgeous?
Now for cupcakes.
Which one? This one?
Puddle. Yeah, that one. Hey, don't shoot me. Hey, don't shoot me out.
I also just love the fact that it's really kind of lightweight. It doesn't like feel like it's clogging the skin or anything, and I love it, it's so good. And then I'm gonna follow it up with the Milk and Peel mask. I love this mask because it's an express mask, it's 5 minutes. You can actually feel and see a difference in your skin after using it. Like I said, it is a peel, but it's enzymatic, it's not acid based. So if you're looking for something more gentle, if you have sensitive skin, if you don't want to use anything super harsh, or if you like to use more active ingredients the rest of the week, which I do, I love using more kind of like stronger acids and liquid exfoliants throughout the week. So when I'm doing a kind of pamper, like skin loving session, I don't want anything too harsh and I want to really focus on hydrating. I love this because it has that refresh of your skin feeling, and it leaves your skin feeling smooth and resurfaced, but at the same time it's not stripping. I really like it. So that you just leave that on for 5 minutes, wash it off. Then I'm going in with one of my favorite serums. This is the Aurelia CBD Super Serum plus Probiotics. This is just really hydrating, hyaluronic acid, CBD oil. It's really, really good if you have redness or inflammation and you just want to really kind of calm your skin but also hydrate it at the same time. Gorgeous anti-aging serum. And then I'm going to use one of my all-time favorite eye creams, actually, that I have come back to. This is the Indeed Labs Isolix 2. I used this for years ago, and I recently mentioned it in a video when I was talking about one of their lip balms, and the brand actually sent it to me and they were like, you need to try it again, it's so good, and I love it. And I'm gonna pop on some of my SPF. This is the Sos SPF 50. I'm nearly out of this, it's so good. This is a small independent brand, and they are just brilliant. Like the texture of this is unreal considering it's SPF 50. And then last but not least, I'm using the new Aborian Skin Hero. I've been using this for a few months and it's actually so, so good. Especially for, at the moment, you don't, well, I don't know about you guys, but I'm not really wearing makeup every single day. This is such a good product, and this is what Aborian are actually really famous for, apart from their lip balm, which is mega. The Skin Hero is essentially like a hybrid product between makeup and skincare. So it doesn't have coverage. Like a lot of their BB creams and CC creams are super famous and they do actually have a bit of coverage and a bit of color correction. But this is actually more so to do with the appearance of your skin. It kind of makes your skin look and feel like it's got a little bit of something, but it's not makeup, and it's also silicone free. So a lot of these kind of products are basically silicone primers that blur and kind of like disguise the look of pores or get rid of shine and things like that, but this isn't like that. It's really just a lovely hydrating base. You can use it under makeup or you can use it just on its own. So it's like the last step in your skincare routine, and if you're not wanting to wear any makeup, it's amazing. A lot of the time I will wear this and then just put on concealer under my eyes and then maybe like mascara and my brows and I'm done. So I use it in place of foundation, but it doesn't actually have any coverage. So, so good though. Jigsaw puzzle time. There's the pink. Yeah, you get all the pink pieces together. River had a little task set from her nursery this week to do a jigsaw puzzle and send a picture into school. So that is what we're doing. Her absolute favorite jigsaw, the Orchard Toys doll's house. We're cooking a little bit of Sunday lunch, and to be honest with you, we normally make this like every Sunday. I've basically been doing leftover Sunday roasts and using you got the sweet corn, and using like everything. Don't eat it, you cheeky monkey. Using everything we have left over in the fridge, but today she's actually eating the sweet corn. Rivy. Is that yum? It's yummy raw. Delicious.
Yeah.
Mm-mm-mm. It's cold, is it? I'm kind of like winging it today because we don't have any potatoes. We don't have many of the veg that we normally use. So this is what I'm doing. I've got chestnuts. I've got chopped tomatoes. I'm actually doing a base of bulgur wheat. I've got carrots. I've got onion and garlic. And then I've also got this, which is like pre-made nut roast, which I'm going to chuck in the middle. Chestnuts.
Like one of those glided like parachutes and like things going
Really?
go around like years.
Does that count as exercise?
Does to me.
I literally do this every weekend with various different ingredients, and then it goes in the oven for like 35 minutes. And whilst that's happening, Piggy, are you ready? Got a little project. So this week we took delivery of the new bed for the pink room. And we're gonna put it together. If you guys remember from my last vlog, we are in the pink room, which is newly decorated. We've got a lot of dogs going on in here as well. And this bed, as much as we love it, is ready to go because it is super broken and also a custom size. The people on eBay basically totally shanked us and like lied, and we didn't properly measure it when we picked it up. So anyway, it's been here for a while. It is now going, and this is the new bed which we ordered from Button and Sprung. I actually really love it. It's really pretty, so I'll show you when it's done. River
Let's
is...
hope I can put it together without having to squat.
I'm gonna just leave you to it. You know what I'm gonna do?
Whoa, you're gonna what?
I'm gonna leave Mike to it. I'm gonna put this here.
Okay.
And you guys,
putting that there.
you can laugh at his
Because-
DIY skills, I'm telling you now.
So while you're putting that there, and the fact you're just gonna leave me to do it, I'm just gonna do the little ooh yeah dance.
You're doing
To
dancing?
do it on my own. Great news. It's lunchtime. We will conclude this shortly.
The finished article looks pretty interesting. Smells really good though, to be fair. And then Rivy has got her own concoction because she doesn't really like roast. So she's got hummus and cucumber and smoked salmon. Uh-oh, hummus down. And some leftover pasta with tomatoes from last night. Just have to come on and document the fact that Mike is having seconds, but he also just said,
I admitted this is much better than expected.
did you think it was gonna be really bad?
No, I don't think it was going to be bad. I thought it was going to be average because gravy with like wheaty pasta felt a bit weird.
It's not pasta, it's
No, but it
bulgur
looks
wheat.
like pasta.
So this is what the bed looks like. The lighting in here is crazy, and because we have no curtains yet, I can't really, I mean, you literally can't see. My camera is not playing ball. This is what it looks like. Okay, there we go. It's still super bare in here. I feel like we need to get sorting with everything and get everything kind of sorted out, but that is where we're at the moment. I wanted to show you the lights up. This is how the hallway is looking with the lights. I think last time I updated you guys, I don't know if you can hear Ro having an ultimate tantrum downstairs. I think the last time we updated we were about to hang these, I'm pretty sure. So that's what they're looking like. We're not sure whether we're going to be keeping the carpets. The bathroom, the radiators are still waiting to go back in, so that's all the update from here. Oh, actually there's one more thing. I have managed to pop drapes on this little 4-poster, which is so nostalgic for me. This was the bed I had as a kid. And I actually had white drapes and they went over the top as well, but basically I just bought these linen curtains from Zara and looped them over each corner, and I think they look super cute. It's like a little bed of dreams in here. So we're now on a family fairy hunt in the garden. What's going on with the crazy light here? And it is the most beautiful day. It feels like spring is coming and is upon us. It's so nice. I'll show you the situation in the greenhouse at the moment. Riv is looking for fairy treats. Ready. Are we ready, Riv, to plant everything in here?
What happened to the peppers?
Oh no, I think they died. Did we forget about these ones? These last peppers? Oh no.
And those peppers.
And those ones, they kept growing. I thought. Chili peppers. The last of the chili peppers. The plant is kaput, but it is ready for some spring planting. We're gonna have tomatoes, cucumbers, aubergine. We're having jalapenos. We're not having so many chilies. Basically, the reason why we left these chilies to go is that we eat like one every couple of weeks, whereas the jalapenos we actually ate. What?
Fairy might have left.
There's a fairy. Oh my goodness.
River, what's by that statue?
Over here, Riv. What is that? By the statue?
What's by the fairy?
By the raunchy fairy statue. What is that? Is that a letter? It says river on it.
And it's
a magic wand? No
what?
way. Got some major DIY digging going on here. Riv got this super cute little gardening set for Christmas.
Oh, good job.
Green fingers. Another little update for you all. I feel like my hair is looking really pink again today, and it's been like really blonde and now it's gone back to being pink. I don't know how that's happened, but there we go. Another update for you all. I said on Instagram, I just showed you. I said on Instagram like last week about how I'd been buying a couple of vintage Polly Pockets, and I got so many DMs about it. So many of you were so excited about it and like taking major trips down memory lane with me. So I just want to show you my newly acquired purchase this week. I actually didn't have this one. I had the Rabbit Hutch one, which I tried to buy on eBay and it went for too much money, so I didn't get it. But I got this one, which is the Polly Pocket Puppy one. I don't know its official name, but basically there's two little fuzzy pups in there. Any of you guys have this? Circa 1989, I think. It's literally mint as well. Riv is obsessed. I'm not gonna lie, I'm kind of obsessed as well. 10. Ready? Where could he possibly be, Riv? What is that black thing over there? That was rubbish hiding, Daddy.
Okay, you too high.
What? And you count, okay?
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 10.
What? Cheetah. She's a cheetah.
Daddy!
Ah, she got me! Where's Daddy? Where is he? Somewhere in the jungle. Where is he? Find him. Look at these dogs. Living the life. 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Ready or not, here I come. I mean, Mike. it's me looking, not River. What kind of shitty hiding place is this? I don't know where Daddy could possibly be.
Oh, found me.
Oh, found him. Seen River Squidge? Ah, what was that laughing? I don't know. Have you seen her, Piggy? Maybe she's behind the sofa. Oh no. What was that laughing? Oh, she's there! What are you doing? You duffer. I'm currently perched in bed, surrounded by snuggles, reading my book. I'm actually reading a book called Girl A, which I picked up in Costco when I was in there the other day, as you can tell by the label. And I actually really like it so far. It's kind of dark. It's about, how do I describe it? It's about a family of children who survive child abuse, abusive parents, which sounds really dark and like, why would you want to read that? But I quite enjoy stuff like this, like, and it's really, really well written as well, actually. I think it's a bestseller, so probably a lot of you have read it as well. But if you're into that kind of thing, I read a lot of like crime thriller books and stuff like that. If you like that, I would recommend. I'm only 46 pages in, but so far so good. Probably gonna call it a night for tonight because little one's asleep. I've got to go and put her in her bed. She's just fallen asleep cuddling up to me, and we've got Piggy down here. Growly's there, Squidge is there, Treacle's on the floor next to me. Not sure where Mike is, he's probably tidying up, to be fair. But yeah, hope you guys all had a fantastic weekend. Thanks for joining us once again. And I'll see you again soon. Bye.